Hello guys, my name is Glinda, and here on my channel we talk about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And on today's video we are going to be talking about some pants that I've been wanting for a while, and I have finally found them. I'm going to tell you guys exactly where they are from. If you didn't read the title, you already know. I am so excited, and today I am really here to help the girls with the big hips. Okay, I am here for you. Shout out to Born in Sequence. That's literally my like fashion friend in my head. We are both shaped the same. We both wear the same size. I'm just shorter than she is, and I always go to her, ask her questions about sizing at certain stores, and that's why I have these pants today. Yeah. So if you guys want to see that, please stay tuned. But listen, I got these on sale, and y'all gotta sign up for certain mailing lists when you're looking for things specific. But these pants, girl, here, oh my god, oh my god, they have a button here. It kind of comes across, which I like. This little bitty one right here kind of comes open a lot, but who cares? Girl, and when I first got these on, I got all the pants from Fashion to Figure in a 4. Some of them, like certain material of pants, it fits way looser, and I kind of could have went down in size, but y'all, at this stage in my life, I need comfort. So these fit, listen, and then Fashion to Figure, the waistband is so much thicker for me. These stretch. If these pants didn't stretch, I wouldn't be able to get these on, sweetie. I'm just keeping it real. With these, I do have to like make sure I'm grabbing my leg and pulling it up. You know, this meat I got. You know, especially if you shape pear shape, you got to pull that leg. You got to pull it over that meat in the inside, and on the outside you got to pull that meat so the crotch can come all the way up. That is the difference between pants that are made for specific body types and also pants that are made better. Like, you will spend more. They are more expensive than Walmart jeans, because that's what I was used to for years, is Walmart jeans. And baby, you got to stop getting Walmart pants and try to step out of the box. Make sure you are watching when they are on sale, you guys. Sale. I didn't pay full price for these. These pants were originally, I think, maybe between $40 and $60. I literally got these pants on sale. They were literally, I think, $19, no more than $30. None of the pants I got from Fashion Figure. You guys have to watch for those sales. But listen, every pair of pants has a pocket. Every pair. And y'all see me. Y'all see me in this video. Y'all see me. Baby, you see me. You see me. You guys know I've been looking for like white trousers, linen. I don't think these are considered linen. I'll look it up. These are the cross waist. The white is called the cross waist pants. These are called, oh, this is from the Gabby Fresh collection. These are in a size 4, and these are some trousers, wide leg trousers. You guys know, if I can find these in a cream color as well. They also had, oh my god, y'all, I can't even get it out. They also have this pink pair. Oh girl, just, these fit good too. When I pull these, so you know when you sit down, like you sit in the car and you pull them up, it gives me gappage. But as I walk, they kind of slowly go down, and then it's no gappage. I think I'm going to need these to be tailored, especially with me losing weight. but I am going to try to do them myself. You guys pray for me. I'm probably going to do them, I don't know, on the side, I think, or maybe do it in the front here. So I'm not sure. So just stay tuned. There's no belt loops in these. There's no belt loops in none of the pants. These are in the 4 as well. And again, you guys see me. Okay? You guys see me. You guys see me in the video. I am so happy. Now, these pants, the tan ones, are the ones that I know I could have went smaller with. One size smaller. But I'd rather for my pants to be big than small, y'all. That's just me. That's just me. Sorry. But these, look at this waist. Look at this waist, baby. This waist is so heavy. And you guys know I shop. I have gotten trousers and things like that, like linen ones from Shein. I just did like a TikTok, a short video with some green ones on. They're linen. But listen, y'all gotta shop at the plus size brands. The zipper is actually in the back. Tanika B has really inspired me to not stay in my neutral lane. I do feel like it was great for me to start off like getting more neutrals, not just neutral tones, but just staying in, well, yeah, the neutral tone, staying in the neutral family when I first started like figuring out what I wanted to wear. These pants she literally inspired me to get. She wear pants like this all the time. They had a green pair and then they had another color that I want so bad, but they're out of stock in my size. Again, these are in a 4. These are called, and I really gotta start saying the name, these are just called wide legs pants. Oh, these are not in a 4. These are actually in a 3. So when I first got these and I saw that I ordered a 3, I was like, I know god dang on well I ain't ordered these pants in a 3, and I know I need the biggest size. But when I put these on, the pleats in the front did whiten. I'm not worried about that because I am losing weight, so I'm really not worried about it. It still looks good. I'm still feel confident because this band, baby, it's gonna snatch you. All these pants, the band, the waist is going to snatch you. It's gonna snatch you, baby. These also have pockets. Listen, a lot of the pants that you see, you can tell that I am short. Okay? I am 5'4" and I am short. These pants run very long. I'm not mad. I told you guys in other videos, I'm not mad that the pants run tall and long because our long girls, you know, they can't add fabric. You know, we can get our pants tailored. I use fabric tape for a lot of my clothes lately, and it works beautifully. I'll leave the fabric tape that I use below for the short girls who need to and don't want to cut their pants or don't want to pay or anything like that. Leave my fabric tape, girl. It has been working for me so good. So I want these pants in more colors. As you guys can see on this video, baby, these fit so good. I feel so good in these pants, okay? So those are the pants that I got from Fashion to Figure. My problem has been bottoms. I have a lot of joggers. I have a lot of jogging pants, a lot of leggings, but I want more pants and I love a trouser, okay? So I got those. I plan on going to the Goodwill soon. I also got some items gifted to me. You guys are starting to see those, like the green dress I had on in one of my video shorts. Listen, you guys, you have to get, I don't know what else to say. Shop Fashion to Figure. You gotta shop Fashion to Figure, honey. So that is everything that I got from Fashion to Figure. If you guys have any other questions, of course, don't hesitate to leave them down below. Make sure you follow me for more tips. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. Instagram. Follow me on Twitter as well. Also Pinterest. I'm starting to learn a little bit more about Pinterest. And I'll see you guys in the next video.